Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to add text to speech in CapCut. And all we have to do is to launch our CapCut application. Then we're going to tap on the text which is here, and when to tap on other text, let's say I'm going to say elderate young tap on OK. Once you've already finished typing, then we're going to adjust our text. And there from here, just here at the bottom, we have this option that says text to speech. And we're going to tap on that. We're going to either choose whether we want in male, female, anime, song, English, Spanish, voice. So I'm going to, let's say, use anime, see how that will go. I'm going to use Tricast. If I'm not okay with the voice that I've tapped on, I can tap on it again, and then I'm going to adjust the speed that the trickster voice is going to be speaking on. Or I can actually tap on male and then go for style advertising new. Yummy, yummy. Once I'm okay with the speech, I'm going to tap on OK. Then if I decide to play it again, it's out to a sound. Yummy, yummy. Once we're okay with the edit, we're going to tap on export, which is just here at the top. Then it's going to export. Yummy, yummy. Could tap on export, and it's going to export our devices. There we can actually decide on whether we want it to share it to our TikTok or our social media handles. Payments. Okay, we're going to tap on burn, and it's going to be saved on our devices. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Love see you guys on the next video.